Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today I'll show you how to make very easy and tasty chicken liver stir fry. It takes not more than 10 minutes to make. Before we get into today's video, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Do share this video, it helps a lot. To make the chicken liver stir fry, here I have taken a frying pan and to it I have added 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Heat the oil for a minute on medium flame. After a minute, add in 2 tablespoons of chopped onions that are finely chopped. Add in 4 to 5 green chilies that are slit lengthwise, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 10 curry leaves. Saute until the onions turn transparent, or on medium flame saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let's add our spices. I have added half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, that you can adjust this as per taste too, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Fry these masala powders or spice powders in the oil for a minute. By doing this, we are giving a spicy and salty flavor to the oil. Frying the spice powders in the oil intensifies their taste. But be careful, do not burn off the spice powders. Now here I have added chicken liver 150 grams that are cut roughly. Gently coat the pieces well with the prepared masalas. Chicken liver or liver in general stores fat soluble vitamins, hence it is very rich in vitamins A, D, E, K. So including liver in your diet once in a while will give you a good boost of those fat soluble vitamins. Here I have covered and cooked the chicken liver for 3 to 4 minutes. I am giving it a rough mix and I'll be covering this again and cook it on a medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes more. As I have said earlier, this dish can be made in less than 10 minutes. After cooking this for 3 more minutes on medium flame, this looks ready now. Just give it a rough mix. Add in few finely chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. You can add them both or whichever is available to you, or you can even skip them completely. It will taste equally good with or without them. Saute on a low flame for 10 seconds. After that, remove from flame and directly serve. Our very tasty and very easy to make chicken liver stir fry is ready. If you have kids at home, they'll definitely love this one. This dish is not suitable for infants or kids less than 1.5 years of age. Garnish with some finely chopped coriander leaves. You can serve this with rice or roti or have it as it is as a starter or snack. Do try this and let me know how it goes for you in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!